Hindi yan yung room namin, ha? Ito yung room namin. So, we got the, I don't know what this is, executive room or superior room. Parang exam tong ginagawa natin kasi sobrang dami ng choices. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay, thank you. So, we're at Kim's Mall now. So, yan. Mura din dito. Nasa 328 lang. Pero sa mga Korean store sa Manila, parang 450 ko na nabibili itong ganyan. Yeah. Okay guys, we're here at Fred's Pie Bakery na maliit lang talaga siya na stall. Look, this is their sausage roll. Look at that.
Yes po. Per piece? Opo, per
Okay, so we're now here at Cordero Coffee. Natuwa ako kasi finally nakapunta ko dito. Welcome! This is my first birthday vlog because I'm gonna have 2 birthday vlogs and we're now here in Pampanga. So, hindi ako dapat mag-vlog pero sabi ni Mon, vlog ko na daw. Dumating na kami dito sa hotel. Sabi ni Mon, i-vlog ko na daw kasi nice naman yung hotel na napuntahan namin. So, we're gonna vlog this. Samahan nyo kami dito sa Pampanga for another food trip. Happy birthday to me! Okay guys, we're gonna have a room tour. Ito yung room namin, pero sabi ni Mon, ang ganda daw ng room. So, oo nga, ang laki na. Yeah, I think. Kasi parang may dining area pa doon, no? So, hindi yan yung room namin, ha? Ito yung room namin. So, ito yung room namin on the 2nd floor. So, we got the, I don't know what this is, executive room or superior room with double and parang nga siyang queen and single bed. Tapos, yun yung makikita mo pagpasok. So, they have mga night lights sa gilid now with the plugs and all that. So, pwede raw yan yung ano natin for Ozan and myself and Mon. Talagang third wheel no? Kahit kaming mag-asawa. And then, when you go inside, meron din sila ditong fridge. So, it's very, parang service apartment siya more than hotel. Kasi meron siyang fridge, tapos meron mga cabinets in here na pwede mong paglagyan ng gamit. And then, meron siyang working kitchen. Look! So, meron siyang toaster, meron siyang rice cooker. Oh, 'di ba? Meron pa siya dito ang stove. May microwave pa, Mond. Tapos, I think, complete naman yata yung mga... may mga cooking stuff na meron dito. Kompleto nga! Yeah, kompleto talaga sila. And then, there's a workstation in here kasi si Mond, working person siya. Kaya dito siya, 'di ba? Tapos, pupunta natin dito, meron siyang bathroom. And, spacious yung bathroom, in all fairness talaga. And this only cost 2,000 plus, guys. Parang nabook ko to sa Agoda na 2,000 pesos. Tapos, I think may breakfast pa to.
Yes.
'Di ba? So, yun yung recommendation ni Ozan tuloy ni Mon na mag-vlog ako. I'm not supposed to vlog kasi nga, it's my birthday. But, yun din. Sobrang bait ng staff nila. They welcomed us nung tapos nalaman pa nilang birthday ko, tapos kinantahan pa nila akong happy birthday. Yun! So, I don't know what's gonna happen in this birthday vlog. Maybe, of course, kakain. But for now, we're just gonna put our stuff and rest a bit and mag-charge ako. And yun lang. See you later! Okay, so nag-charge lang kami a bit, but we're now heading somewhere. Ay, cafe kami pupuntahan. So, when we went to Subic one time, merong 717. Oh my God, I don't know if it's 717, basta 7-something coffee in...
Sa may corner.
In Subic. Tapos, they have a branch here inside Clark. So, we're gonna try it out. So, magtatrabaho si Mon. So, ito yung lobby. So, hindi ko siya nakunan kanina kasi nga, diba? Hindi naman plano mag-vlog. But this is the business center. They have computers that you can use. And on the other side, this is the restaurant. I believe dito magsaserve ng breakfast or if you wanna eat something here. And then, this is the pool area. So, I showed you the pool area earlier. Yan. So, that's their pool area. Tapos sabi ni Mon, may fitness center daw. Somewhere.
Sa kita ko eh.
Pero wala dyan. Mga rooms yan eh. Ayan. So, swimming pool rules from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. sila. So, yun. Just let's take a look at their lobby reception. But it's just a small one. So, this is the reception area. And I think naman they have ample parking but we parked on the other side. Sunset na, guys. So we're now heading to 717. Ba tama ba mo?
Yeah, 717 Coffee and Company.
Bumbuo. Okay, so parang sarado kasi yung 717 Coffee or hindi lang namin tinignan maayos. So we're now heading to Fred's dun sa may Clark Parade Grounds. Ang ganda ng Clark today. It's already sunset.
Yeah, let's open the let's open the sesame.
Let's open the sesame. Ayan, open sesame na siya. Yeah. Okay, we have arrived sa Fred's. It's becoming one of my favorite. The first time ni Mon sa Fred's. This one.
The Subway.
Yeah, the Subway. Sabi rin ni Gab yan, Subway daw. Okay, we're going to Fred's now. Meron din sila mga pasta, sandwiches, rice bowls, and all that. Tapos malaking space nila dito. We're gonna stay at the second floor. I haven't tried the second floor eh. Ayan, first time ko umakyat dito. Medyo malaki rin pala dito sa taas. Hi guys! Wag na, para totoo tayo. Sabi ni Mon, wag daw ako mag-vlog dito kasi ang pangit daw. Pero we're not like other vloggers na puro aesthetic lang. Pakita natin yung katotohanan. So, after namin mag-Fred's, gusto namin mag-dinner and we're trying to look for a place that serves Kapampangan cuisine. And naisip namin tong Matami. Just a few meters away, like wala pa nga yatang 10 steps away from Fred's. So look at this, it's really cool. This is, I think, a sikat Filipino restaurant here. So they serve Filipino food, Kapampangan. Okay, let's sit here. Medyo malaki yung place nila. So ito yung menu nila. Sobrang daming puro Kapampangan food yung offerings nila talaga dito. So different ulams. Na parang exam tong ginagawa natin kasi sobrang dami ng choices. Yeah. So we are getting binagoongan na baboy, longganisa, and then pako salad and 2 rice. Parang ito yung place kung saan pag may balikbayan friends ka or family, dito mo dadalhin to eat Kapampangan food or Filipino food. Ang bilis ng food namin. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay, thank you. So, ito na yung rice. Ang cute ng rice nila. Ayan, i-mix ni Mon yung ating Request ko yan kasi I love pako salad. Pako salad is one of my favorite salads in the whole world. Tapos yun nga, nag-crave kami ng sana masarap yung longganisa nila. Tapos ito din. Oo nga, sana masarap yung vinaigrette dito. Okay, so let's get started with the eating time. Eto, binubukas ko pa lang siya. So yung rice nila nakalagay sa banana leaves. Sobrang bango, guys, kasi syempre yung smell ng banana leaves na incorporated dun sa Sige, kain na tayo. Okay, I'm showing you my plate na parang binalot. So, ito yung paku salad, and then we have the longganisang baboy and binagoongan. Sorry, naglalaway na talaga ako. I need to start eating na. Tikman natin ang paku salad na favorite ko. Sana masarap ang vinaigrette. Yeah, there's shrimp, oh. Look. Okay, let's try it. Oh my God. Super sarap ng vinaigrette. That's the perfect mix ng vinaigrette. Manamis-namis na asim-asim. For me, it's perfect. Ang sarap, guys. Paku salad. One of my favorite salads. Okay, I'm now gonna try the longganisa. Longganisa is also one of my favorite sausage. Yung longganisa nila hindi ma-fatty. Parang siyang, skinless longganisa coming from Pampanga. Yun yung the usual taste. Also good. Okay, and now the binagoongan baboy. Let's try it. The binagoongan, I feel like it's fresh na bagoong yung ginamit, not the bottled ones, not the ready-made ones. The salted one. It's good. Masarap yung food nila. I bet the other Filipino dishes are also very good. So with the ones that we ordered, I'd give it 4 na subo for everything. You should also try it. Ay! So, we're at Kim's Mall now. Galing kami sa massage, actually. Mag-grocery kami, may bibilin kami. Ako din, kuha mo ako. Yan. So yan, mura din dito. Nasa 328 lang. Pero sa mga Korean store sa Manila, parang 450 ko na nabibili itong ganito. Yeah. Okay, we are at another favorite stop here in Pampanga, which is Yellow Chicken. So, pasok tayo dun sa kanilang infamous yellow back door. Thanks, Kuya! So, they are also open 24 hours and meron mga private rooms dito. So, usually pag big groups kami, nagpa-private room kami. But since dalawa lang kami ni Moy, we are just going to stay here. Try the roast tteokbokki. I'll show you the roast tteokbokki, guys. This is the roast tteokbokki. Favorite ko rin to dito. Masarap din tong roast tteokbokki nila. We ordered a small one. Guys, let's try the roast tteokbokki. Creamy, spicy, piping hot. Perfect kasama nung kampong chicken nila. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy the food right now. And we're gonna update you in a bit. Or later. Kain muna kami. Cheers! na kami nakapag-close ng vlog kagabi kasi number 1, tamad talaga ako. Number 2, pagod na kami. Oo nga, bakit tayo napagod? Actually, hindi pagod yun. Katamaran ko lang yun sa pag-vlog. So, today, di namin alam kung anong gagawin namin pero naka-check out na kami. We liked our stay dito sa Sure Stay by Best Western. Tapos, we are now heading to a pie shop here in Angeles, Pampanga. Tapos nagbabasa ako kanina mo, 14 years na pala sa business yung pie shop na yon. And they sell pies and sourdough breads. Tapos maganda yung review sa kanya. Matagal ko nang gustong puntahan to. Wala tong dine-in option na, puro take-out lang to. And we are gonna have the opportunity. Mag-take out tayo ng Cherry Pie Picache. Oh, malapit lang sa hotel, din nandun lang daw sa kanto. Okay guys, we're here at Fred's Pie Bakery na maliit lang talaga siya na stall. Look, ito lang talaga siya. Just a stall. Tapos they sell sourdough, bread, baguette, meat pies. Ito yung tinda nila. Meron din silang sausage roll. I think I'm gonna buy that. Tapos meron din sila ng mga sourdough here, baguettes, sourdough bread. Meron din sila dito ng egg pies pa, oh. Marami pang different other stuff that they sell.
Oh my God! Beef pie. At yung mga, frozen. Ito ba naman sa ugan? May ugan ko si Fred. Tapos meron pa silang lasagna, no?
Wala, may lasagna din sila. So good! Hindi ko pa natatry kasi kakainin ko na yung binili ko. Pero feeling ko masarap yung mga pie nila dito. Tsaka mga breads nila.
White cup, logo. Ayun po sir, yung slice.
So guys, titikimin na natin yung sausage roll kahit walang dine-in dito. This is their sausage roll. Look at that.
Yes po. Opo, per piece.
The sausage roll is not just like sausage, but it's like
May
sausage.
sausage roll.
It's really good. Very meaty inside. Very flaky. It's really good. I bet the pies are also very good. Ato magkano yun sa akin? So guys, nagbayad lang ako, tapos tutuloy na natin yung pagkain. Masarap yung sausage roll nila. You know, I was expecting the sausage roll to be like something from Starbucks, pero hindi. Ano talaga siya? Ground meat. Sarap guys.
Party. Economic ka pa.
Perfect yan for banh mi.
Big na yun. So we gotta share the bread.
Breaking.
Ito kinancel mo.
Okay, let's try the bread.
One with pie, sir.
Smells really good.
Sausage.
Yeah.
Super humble. Kung lasa.
Perfect for baguette them.
Plain bread.
Yeah.
Kasi it's good.
Freshly baked bread. So you guys should Fred's pies. After nating mag-Fred's Pies and Bakery, we're now headed to another new cafe here sa loob ng Clark. Nakita ko lang to din nung last ako na nandito 2 weeks ago. Tapos parang ginugel ko, parang okay. Ayan siya, this is Cartero Coffee. Ayan, nakita ni Mond. It's a heritage site pala. This is Telephone Exchange and Post Office, constructed in 1914. Oh, $260 lang yung pag-build niya. So, this is an old house right here. Okay, pasok kaya tayo. I'm so excited. Natutuwa naman ako. Kasi parang heritage house. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, so we're now here at Cartero Coffee. Natuwa ako kasi finally nakapunta ko dito. Kasi nga dinaanan ko siya 2 weeks ago. Tapos sabi ko parang okay doon. Tapos ginugol ko siya. Yun nga, very limited lang yung available na menu nila here. But I think the place, since it's historic, parang ang ganda, diba? So we're now gonna try. We got their Spanish latte. And I'm gonna try their Spanish latte. So here's the Spanish latte. 160 pesos. Okay lang naman siya. It has strong coffee. And of course, since it's Spanish latte, talagang condensed milk and milk flavor. It's decent enough. So I will give this 3 subo. Ang sumunod is yung cookies nila. I like the cookies. You know why? Because dahil tita ako, hindi siya matamis. It's not too sweet. And then the chocolate that they use is good quality chocolate. So it's good. 50 pesos lang to. That's good. You should get it. Overall, I think the ambiance is quite nice. Okay naman yung coffee nila and yung cookies. So I highly recommend this. I mean, it's a quiet cafe. Nice.
Ano yung cinematographer na kung ano pinag... Hardworking overseas wife. Take one. Yaman!
So here are all things that we ordered. Siyempre, of course, simulan natin sa pinaka sikat sa kanila, which is yung tokwat baboy nila. Kaya nga sila tinawag na Mila's tokwat baboy. Another favorite is itong pako salad na lagi kong in-order din here. And then, siyempre, masarap din yung sisig nila. So one of the best sisigs that I've tasted here. Si Mond, gusto niya nito kahapon pa. This one is called buro. It's made of fermented rice. And it's eaten with fried fish, fried hito, and then may vegetables siya to eat with it, at saka itong binabalot siya dito sa mustasa. So later, ipapakita ni Mon kung paano kumain ng buro. Let's start with, of course, their famous tokwat baboy. Haluin muna natin. Ang gusto ko dito sa tokwat baboy nila, meron siyang parang celery, tapos it's really good together with tenga, face, and super sarap na sauce ng tokwat baboy. So, the tofu must be soaked in the sauce so that masarap siya. Naglalaway na ako. Hinahalo pa lang. Let's try it out. Salty and sour from the vinegar, yung sauce. And then, masarap talaga yung addition ng green kasi it gives balance. We're also gonna try their sisig. Yung sisig talaga ng Pampanga is more on the mataba side, soft side. Hindi siya yung crunchy sisig. So if you're into that kind of sisig, Mila's is not for you. Kasi yung Mila's sisig, may crunch siya. And that's what I like in my sisig. Sorry mga mahal kong Kapampangan, pero yun yung sisig na gusto ko, may crunch. Although wala talagang egg to. Pwede mag-add ng egg or mayo, but this is good enough for me. So ang lasa nito medyo maasim. They put vinegar, but very savory in general. Tapos mayroong crunchy bits, and that's what I like about Mila's sisig. Really good. Next, we're gonna try the pako salad. So their pako salad is on top merong salted egg and vinaigrette nila. I'm gonna mix it up kasi syempre masarap yan mixed with sauce. Kumain din tayo nito kagabi, but we're gonna try and compare. But I think mas masarap yung vinaigrette nila doon kagabi. I think the vinaigrette they have here is much sour than the vinaigrette kagabi dun sa Matami. But we'll see. Tikman natin ang kanilang pako salad. I really love the distinct flavor of pako. Dahon flavor. They ace the vinaigrette here. They do the vinaigrette very good. Really good. So explain ni Mond. Sige Mond, paki-explain please.
Buro, this one is actually a fermented rice. So, sabi nila, the way you eat it with the mustasa leaf is similar to how you eat your
Samgyeopsal.
right? Any meat naman can be paired with the buro, the mustasa. But I like it better with, syempre, pork. Syempre, pork. But here, mas fish yung na-order natin. Let's try it.
Okay,
Nag-watch ako ng hands. Kasi gusto ko siya
Yeah, tama, the traditional
how
way.
the local, does it. Here, you get it and then you put it here. Tapos,
Ayan, pwede mo na lang
and then you get a portion of the buro and then you put it there. And then you wrap it like, some gyupsal and then one bite eat it.
Ooh!
Oh.
Yummers! Okay, let's try it out. Panis na kanin. Weird taste na. But parang appetizing siya.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's appetizing. But it's fermented, so maasim. Malagkit na rice na pa-congee na yung consistency. And then maasim. Ginisa siya, diba?
Ginisa yan.
Yeah.
Ginisa siya usually with kamatis and luya and maraming bawang and sibuyas.
Yeah. Tapos
At
meron
least sa
ano
bahay
sa
ka.
ibabaw eh. Parang
Fried garlic.
fried garlic sa ibabaw.